Hey guys, it's Mark here, and today we have the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and coming right up. S9 Plus has tons of features, and one of the features is the dual aperture wide-angle shooter. The design is almost the same as the S8 Plus with smaller bezel and more comfortable fingerprint location. Hey, at least they still keep the fingerprint reader. S9 Plus has higher strength aluminium and thicker glass than the Galaxy S8, which are great for durability. On the front is this Super AMOLED display with 6.2-inch panel curved towards the side, which you won't be interrupted by the notch. At least there's no notch with a lot of makers nowadays is going on notches on their phone. For the S9 and S9 Plus, they also take an effort to make a mirror of the sensor on top of the display less obstructive, and the IR blaster in particular is now almost invisible, and the selfie cam cutout is a little bit smaller than it was on the S8. All the usual stuff here too, including the ambient light, proximity sensor, and the notification LED. The S9 Plus has now stereo speaker tuned by AKG, which is make it more louder and more crispy compared to the S8 Plus. Hear it for yourself. The Galaxy S9 Plus packs in 3500 mAh power battery, and the battery itself can last you the entire day if you turn off most of the feature away, like always on and Bixby. The version I have here is Exynos, which is great for day-to-day performance use, but gaming on the other hand, it handles surprisingly well. The S9 Plus packing the latest Snapdragon 845 in the US and China, and the Exynos 9810 everywhere else. And it packs with 6GB of RAM with the optional storage which is 64, 128 and 256GB. And there is microSD card expansion up to 400GB. Let's get to the unboxing. Inside the box is the device itself, fast charging brick, USB-A to USB-C adapter, micro USB to USB-C adapter, SIM ejector, silicone case, USB-C cable, and an AKG headphone. The S9 Plus comes with Android 8.0 Oreo with Samsung Experience version 9.0. The lock screen has the basic shortcut, which is the camera and the dialer, which you can easily reassign. The biometric unlock option, which is fingerprint unlock, face or iris, or the new intelligent scan, which is combine both face and iris scanner. You won't have to think which option to choose to unlock when you're not able to turn both intelligent scan and fingerprint reader together. Basically, you have the best of the both worlds. Fingerprint setup is easier. All you need to do is slide across the fingerprint sensor and you're all good to go. You don't have to swipe to unlock like the S5 or Note 4, just tap to unlock. Let's get to the AR emoji. It uses a selfie cam to take a photo of your face, which turns into an animated character, and you can further customize it with hairstyle, skin tone, eyeglasses, or dress up in different set of clothes. It also creates a set of GIF which you can use in any messenger app you choose. You can create an AR video in the camera app and switch your avatar with some animal and fictional creatures. The S9 Plus features dual camera. The main camera, which is the wide angle lens, is going to feature the dual aperture that is shared across the regular Galaxy S9, and the secondary lens is the telephoto lens and is going to give you 2x zoom. The S9 Plus live focus works quite well with isolating non-human object too. Check out some pictures and drop me a comment down below. The variable dual aperture is where it adapts to a lower lighting condition and switch from f2.4 to 1.5. In Pro mode is where you can switch back and forth and back. For low light performance, you can shoot amazing photos, and the camera itself is already amazing. Can check out some photos and drop me a comment down below. Now to the 960 frames per second super slow-mo video. It is not new, but at the same time it doesn't make any less awesome to shoot it. Here's a shot. The selfie cam is 8 megapixel with f1.7. I would say the selfie cam works very well, and I can say the selfie focus is basically front-facing portrait, which works very well, and the edges may not be perfect sometimes, but it works well and it's actually quite detailed, and it works better than any other phones that I have ever tried. Video test. This is in 4K 60 frames per second. Tell me what you guys think. Camera test, and I can tell you the stabilization how it works. Yes, this place is beautiful. In the end, this is an amazing phone that packs a lot of features and yet looks premium and also feels good in the hand. Performance wise, you won't be disappointed. Aside from that, thank you guys very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't. And do hit the notification bell button as well, and you'll get notified every single time I upload. This is Mark here. I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!